Probably one of the most stressful things you can do is move, and not only move, but downsize. So you need to go from like this to this. In my situation, this will be moving vlog part 1. I'm gonna do a few parts because I'm gonna make this series kind of the first steps to packing, moving, downsizing. I'm also gonna do a video of both empty apartments, so empty apartment tours, kind of showing you what I'm going from to what I'm going to. And then essentially how I'm packing, who's moving me, how to make it the easiest way you can move possible, whether you're upgrading and you bought a house or a place or getting a bigger spot, or you have to downsize, in just different ways that I'm going to be overcoming that. Now you're probably wondering, why are you moving? I have been in this beautiful 1930s vintage apartment. I will do a full empty apartment tour. Yeah, I've been here for 4 years. I signed the lease back in June of 2020, which is absolutely insane to think that it's been 4 years. You know, I want to spend more time with my family, but I'm not in a place to buy a home just yet. I live in California, specifically LA, and it's just the prices of everything is just so crazy. I know I'll always pretty much have a little place, a little home here in LA, but to purchase a home or something, I don't know where that will be. And I know I'm gonna go through a lot of, again, more evolving and change in the next year. So I don't know where that'll really land my home base. In the meantime, I just figured this downsizing would allow me to just save more money. I'm literally going to be cutting my expenses more than in half. I think when you have a lot of space, a lot of closets and places to put little things, you accumulate so much stuff and more than you think and more than you need. And I've realized that I'm like, oh, I don't want to get rid of all my stuff. But as I'm cleaning stuff out, I'm like, wow, I definitely kept this as an archive piece for 3 years and never wore it once. Do I think I'm gonna wear it? I don't know. Or I'll keep something specifically for, like, I wanna go whitewater rafting in West Virginia this summer. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep this bathing suit because it's good for that. I'm literally keeping stuff for a potential one-time event that isn't even 100% planned. It's crazy how the mind works and how you store stuff. I definitely don't hoard things. I just do like cute clothes, but I'm also not attached to them. So with that being said, I've revamped and relaunched my Depop. So if you guys want to purchase any clothes that I'm selling, that is my Depop, and yeah, check it out. I'm also doing a rental service where you can rent pieces out of my closet. So one-time wear, special event, clothing specific like pieces. I've talked about this on my channel where you can go and rent things out of my closet for a dance you're going to, a wedding, a party, a date, whatever you want to do. You can rent anything on there. I literally just dropped off 60 incredible, beautiful pieces to Pickle and be renting them out. If you've seen anything in my closet or want to know what my closet has looked like that I'm still keeping because they're pieces that I'm still gonna borrow and wear and rent from myself, you can check that out as well. Exciting but also stressful. Moving is just like, yeah, it's tough. I also want this video and this series of moving and my transition into my new place to show you guys that yes, I've had the big, amazing, glamorous apartment. Well, it's not that big, but you know what I mean? I've had this 1,000 square foot apartment, lived like a princess, and had 4 closets full of stuff. This apartment definitely demonstrates the years of me being like a little toxic. I had a party phase. I wasn't responsible with my money. I wasn't paying attention to how much I was spending. I think now I see where I made some financial mistakes and I've learned a lot. So I'm downsizing, not because I don't want to be in this big, beautiful space anymore, but I want to save money for my future. I think for the 4 years I had been here, I'd gotten out of a relationship, literally got out right after I got in this place. And I had never really truly been just on my own in any way. I'd never been really single before. And with that, I made a lot of decisions that weren't the best, even though I was like in my mid-20s. And I want to show you guys that going from a big apartment that's very luxe and beautiful to something smaller and kind of like a little bit more like not as cute and whatever, but way cheaper, doesn't mean I'm regressing in life. It just means that I'm pivoting my priorities saving so that way I can have my dream home that I own. I don't want to be renting from an old dude. No offense to him. I don't want to be paying this. I'm ready to go on this journey with you guys, and I'm ready to take you guys along with me. It's not going to be all glitz and glamour. And I also want you guys to know that even though you have seen me or other people on the internet, like, I'm still grateful for everything. I'm so grateful I can literally just like live in LA now and not even have to worry about like my rent the way I was like paying so much here. I will be saving a lot of money. I can't wait to give you guys tours of both. Speaking of getting rid of stuff, I have some stuff to show you. Revolve phase and clothing pieces. Okay, this is like what I got. I actually really love these. These really pretty clip bows are so cute. I basically just take my hair, I go like this, just take like the slidey thing and I just slide it underneath, but you just literally clip it in your head. It's so easy. Revolve has like a ton of them, and I haven't really seen like a bunch of people like carry them. I'm gonna be doing this with my hair. I think it's really cute and darling. I also just love a nude heel. I really need some new ones. My other ones are beat up. So a nude heel goes with literally any jean look, like white top, nude top, gold top, baby pink top, some jeans. So easy. Or just like a white dress, a beach dress with your bikini. Like, I don't know, these are just so cute. Anytime I see these on Revolve and they're not sold out, I snag them. I also had ones from Revolve that had like a back strap. Those come back into stock. I'm getting them. This is really cozy for summer, like a summer night or going to the beach late at night or a bonfire. This is the coziest, cutest sweater, and it's so heavy. Its quality is like literally insane. My perfume is still on it. This is the sweater. How cute. The sweater is everything. So cute. I can wear like little collared shirts underneath it. Yeah, this is gonna be my summer sweater. I also got this really sick leather like vest. I got it in a size extra small, but it's a little big on me, but it's so cute. I wore it on my stories and so many people were messaging me about it. And this was from Super Down, so it was a little bit more on the affordable side. I'm so stoked on this set. Look at these cute little shorts, the cute little top. I can do so much with a set like this. I can wear a long sleeve turtleneck underneath this. Might look a little weird because this is short sleeve, but then I can also wear like a little like collared tank underneath it, cropped. I can also layer sweaters over top of it. And these little shorts for summer, they're just like super light, super chill, super light, super chill. I sound crazy. This is so cute. Okay guys, this dress is so cute. Look at the detailing. How darling. Okay, you know what you can also do with this is you can like tuck in the straps. Okay, like tuck them in so you can wear it as kind of like a strapless. Cute, right? I would tuck in the other side too, but this looks like a little nightgown. Okay, little nightgown. This is so stinking cute and comfortable. And it has my two favorite colors, pink and green on it. But look at how, like, just to go out with your little sunnies and your little purse. This is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna live in this. This is the last Revolve piece that I got. It's this little, it's a skirt. So it's literally shorts with the skirt. So cute. I don't know if I would wear this tank top with it, but I just kind of threw it on over this. I think this is just such a cute little summer moment. I like that it's more of like a mini skirt, but it's nothing too crazy. Yeah, it's still really cute. Okay, let's get back into the video. Good morning. I ended up organizing a lot of my closet last night and putting more stuff in the bin to sell. I'm doing the biggest cleanse I think of my entire life. Anyways, with that being said, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Honestly, should I button this all the way up? No, I'll leave it open. This is the mini skirt I showed you guys last night. I tried it on. It's so cute. It's a skirt. I love it. It's actually gloomy and a little chilly out, so I'm gonna wear a jacket. But I love it with these little frilly socks and these loafers. You guys, 1 second for these loafers. If you are going to wear a shoe at all this summer, it's these loafers. I can't tell you how much I'm obsessed with these loafers. These are probably the most comfortable, beautiful loafers, and they're way more affordable than like the Prada ones or anything like that. These are so cute, and I like shoes with no logo. The Prada ones are so cute, but they're expensive, and obviously they have the logo because that's what you're paying for, but I don't like people to see that I'm wearing designer brands. I mean, I do like a Chanel bag or two. But like, I feel like labels on clothing to me sometimes, unless like I'm repping a small business or my friend's brand or my own brand or whatever, I'm really just not into labels like that. But I do like a Chanel bag, don't get it twisted. But these shoes, these are the most perfect loafer. They're so comfortable. My two tops I'm layering are from Aritzia. And then this is also a jacket I got from Revolve. It's like a little trench just for an extra layer because like I said, it's chilly out, and you're probably like, Genelle, why are you wearing a skirt? Because I want to wear a skirt. Just kidding. My brain, because of moving, I literally saw this outfit on my rack and I was like, I don't want to think about any other outfit, and I don't want to wear sweatpants. Good morning, guys. I just went and got my favorite Breve White Caramel Macchiato. It's basically creamer, 2 shots of espresso, and a whipped sweet cream on top from Maru in Beverly Hills. It's so good. I desperately need my nails done, so we're gonna go to a really pretty, cute nail salon, get our nails snatched. Let's do this. It's moving day. Okay, we're gonna get ready, aka just a little cute